Welcome back to Digital Growth Tutor. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a website lead generation campaign in Meta Ads step by step, perfect for businesses that want more form submissions from their website. First, go to business.facebook.com and log in to your Meta Ads Manager. Once you're inside, click the green Create button to start a new campaign. A new window will appear asking you to choose an objective. For this tutorial, select Lead because we want people to fill out a form on our website. Click Continue. Now rename your campaign so that it's easy to identify. For example, Website Lead Contact Page. Next, set your campaign budget. You can select daily or lifetime budget depending on your strategy. Click Next to move to the ad set level. Rename your ad set based on your targeting. For example, Advantage Plus Sydney. Under Conversion Location, select Website because we want people to submit the form on our website. Keep the performance goal as maximum number of conversions. Meta will optimize your ads to get the most form submissions at the lowest cost. Now select your dataset or pixel that is connected to your website. Under Conversion Event, choose Lead. If you don't see any active events here, you may need to set up your website events first. Watch the video linked in the iCard to learn how to set up events without any code. Next, set your end date. Select your location. If you have a saved audience, you can load it from the list. You can also manually choose age, gender, and detailed targeting. However, for most website lead campaigns, Advantage Plus audience works best, especially if you are only targeting a specific city. Under Placements, keep Advantage Plus placements on so Meta can show your ads across all platforms for best results. Click Next to move to the ad level. Rename your ad so it's easy to manage. Under Identity, select your Facebook page and Instagram account if connected. Choose your ad format: single image, video, or carousel. Now add your landing page URL under Destination. This is the page where your contact form is located. Anyone who submits this form will count as a lead event. Below that, you'll see Browser Add-on. This is an optional feature that allows users to contact you through email, WhatsApp, or direct message. I will select WhatsApp for this example. Now upload your image or video. You can upload from your computer or select from your existing account library. If you have separate vertical or horizontal images, add them for better placement optimization. Otherwise, keep the original image. Click Next. Add your primary text, headline, and optional description. You can see that your website lead event is already selected and showing in green. This was set earlier in the ad set level. If your pixel or events are not showing, watch the video linked in the iCard on how to set up MetaPixel properly. Review all settings, campaign, ad set, and ad level. If everything looks good, click Publish to launch your campaign. That's it. Your website lead generation campaign is now live. Meta will start optimizing your ads to bring in as many form submissions as possible. For more step-by-step tutorials on Meta Ads, Google Ads, and digital marketing, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.